From N5 to JLPT N4. This is lesson number 44. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern. みたいな、みたいに。This みたいな、みたいに means like, similar to. It is used to compare something to another thing. Casual version of ような、ように that you learned in the previous lesson. Grammar format is this. When you use みたいな, there has to be a noun. So みたいな is used before a noun, meaning like, similar to. But the second one, みたいに is used with a verb or an adjective, meaning to do something like, in the same way as. This みたいな and みたいに is more casual than ような、ように。Let's first look at the first grammar format, みたいな plus noun. It describes a noun, and it works like an adjective. For example, he is like a teacher. 彼は先生みたいな人です。みたいな plus noun. 先生みたいな人 means a person like a teacher. Second one, this is a story like a dream. これは夢みたいな話です。みたいな plus noun. So 夢みたいな話 means a story like a dream. Now let's look at the second one. みたいに plus verb and adjectives. It describes how something is done or how something is, meaning like in the same way as. For example, she walks like a model. 彼女はモデルみたいに歩きます。みたいに plus a verb. She walks like a model. Next one. I want to fly in the sky like a bird. 鳥みたいに空を飛びたい。みたいに and then there is a verb to do the same way as a bird. So, the difference between みたいな and みたいに is this. みたいな modifies a noun and it means like a noun. On the other hand, みたいに modifies verbs and adjectives, meaning to do like something or be like something. That's the difference between みたいな and みたいに. Now I'd like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. The robot moves like a human. このロボットは人間みたいに動く。人間みたいに and a verb. So the robot moves like a human. It does an action like a human. Therefore, you have to use みたいに instead of みたいな because it modifies a verb, not a noun. Next one. This soup tastes like home cooking. このスープは家庭料理みたいな味がする。This time, it modifies a noun, a taste. What kind of taste? This みたいな is modifying this noun, taste. Therefore, you have to use みたいな instead of みたいに. Last one. He walks incredibly fast like AI. 彼は AI みたいに仕事が早い。This time, みたいに is modifying an adjective, 早い。Therefore, you have to use みたいに not みたいな because it's modifying an adjective, fast. 早い。Now I will read the sentences, so please repeat after me. このロボットは人間みたいに動く。このスープは家庭料理みたいな味がする。彼は AI みたいに仕事が早い。Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comments below. I will check and collect your homework. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。